think Gartner, in their last market report, came out over the summer around data observability, really did a nice job of categorizing what does data observability, what does it look like in terms of observability or monitoring categories? And I'll call it full stack data observability, because it's not really just data. It's data quality, but it's also pipeline health and lineage and data flow. It's infra performance. It's usage and utilization, and it's around cost and FinOps. And I think we need to move away from just monitoring and just detecting anomalies to really where we bring the value to the teams, to the data engineers who do it on the day-to-day. How do we intelligently triage issues very, very quickly? How do we even recommend, and thank you for the comment here, how do we go to recommendations? And how do we even help the team resolve automatically? I think that's kind of the holy grail. And when you look at the solution, you need to make sure that it has a few kind of core capabilities. I think that what we see that really enterprise teams that do it in a very good way have is a full stack data observability that is real time. It's not after the fact, it's really working with the pipelines in real time. It's fully automated, or at least out of the box, and letting data engineers configure and edit whatever they want, but it's not requiring data engineers to now write 100 different checks or set up 100 different monitors. Because again, you want to write business logic, you don't want to start building infra. It needs to be actionable, again, tying back to the recommendations. It needs to be meaningful, actionable, and it needs to be scalable, right? If it works well for 100 tables or 100 pipelines, that's great. But if you have thousands of those and you have 50 or 100 or 200 engineers in your organization, it needs something that's very easily scalable. So those are kind of the big things that we see that some very successful teams have managed to implement data observability have used.